Welcome to Networking for Success and my new edition, Aflac. As you know, I, Evadyne Smith, have always been committed to bringing you quality services and quality products that you will also see on my website, nfspcn.com. Networking for Success Power Card Network. I have in that so many valuable products. Over $300 in grocery coupons, discounts on theater tickets, music, visual artists, lecture series, travel, and now I have added, happily, Aflac. Many of you may have seen the commercial for Aflac. You see the duck, he's really cute, you know it's insurance, but you may not know the power in the Aflac insurance. Aflac just landed in your lap. Now, what are you going to do with it? That's your question. Are you aware that Aflac pays you whenever something under the policy coverage is used? Aflac pays you. Aflac policies, their core policies are cancer, hospitalization, short-term disability, and accident. We also offer life insurance, whole life and term, adults and juveniles, and we also offer critical illness. Aflac has a family of policies that protect your income in regards to your health. That's what Aflac does. Aflac is paid through pre-tax dollars when it comes through your employer. So at your work site, if we have not come yet, please give me a call and I can set up an appointment to come out to your work site and you can have payroll deduction pre-taxed. 347-457-2769 is my number. And did I mention I am Evadyne Smith and I am an Aflac benefit advisor. Many of you know me. Either you're my clients from taxes or I've connected you to other services or products that you needed. But I am, under Networking for Success, definitely committed to bringing you value. I don't touch it if it's not valuable. Because if you know me, you know I speak a whole lot. And in my speaking, it cannot be a waste of my time. It cannot be a waste of my time. So if it doesn't waste my time, then guess what? It doesn't waste your time either. Aflac policies pay you for healthy visits as well as illnesses. The cancer policy, it not only pays you if you get cancer, but it also pays you if you go for your pre-cancer screenings. The cancer policy is for the whole household, the family, or it can be for an individual, or it can be for an individual and a spouse. Aflac covers everyone because everyone needs to be covered. Aflac is very affordable. Their commitment for their disability plan and for most of their policies is not to cost you more than 2 hours pay per week. 2 hours pay, whatever your hourly rate is, 2 hours pay per week for an Aflac plan. With the cancer policy, if you happen to be diagnosed, they pay you immediately, minimum $3,000. And what I say that $3,000 can do is it can help you kind of rearrange your expenses, your life, plan up as you get your treatment started, or it can definitely pay for you to have a second opinion. And second opinions are very valuable. If you have cancer, Aflac will pay you just about every week through your treatments and for other services that are incorporated in your treatment plan. But your pre-screenings for your mammogram, for your pap smear, for your colonoscopy, for your prostate exam, Aflac has landed in your lap to give you peace of mind and time to heal. Through the wellness program, the hospitalization, go for your physical annually, submit a claim, Aflac pays you. And did I mention that Aflac actually pays you within 24 hours? If you get your smart claim in by 3 p.m., you have direct deposit the next day. Did I mention that? Next day pay? The commercials mentioned that. I'm going to give you a little bit more in depth. The accident plan. So here's a question. How many accidents are on purpose? I thought he was going to tell me. How many accidents are on purpose? None. But do they happen? Absolutely. Whether it's a cut while cooking, a car accident, an ankle sprain on the way to work, an athletic accident, accidents are not on purpose. But what they will do in most cases is they will disable you from functioning to make your money, to make your income, to go to work. And what Aflac's accident policy will do, it will help offset your cost. It can offset your copays, whether it's accident or your doctor. It can offset your copays because when you file a claim, who does that money come back to? That's right. That money comes back to you. So what you do with it is totally up to you. Your wellness visits, you have a copay, file a claim, do with it whatever you want to do. You could actually charge your copay. You can charge throughout dental and the vision. You can charge those frames. You can charge the root canal. You can charge on your charge card. File a claim when you get home, and the next day, your Aflac benefit is coming to you. Will it pay the whole thing? Maybe not. Will it offset? Quite possibly. Because what you're doing is you're getting what you want, and you're willing to pay for it, and that's great. But Aflac says, as long as it's under our plan, we'll send you money back on it. Which will lead me to a wraparound plan called Ameriplan, which I will speak about a little later, just a little bit. But with Aflac, cancer, hospitalization, disability, accident, critical illness, dental, vision, and life insurance. Those are our policies. Those are our policies that are offered to you affordably, some pre-tax. Now, when I say pre-tax, it means you can only get that plan if it's through your employer. And that would be the hospitalization, for also which you must have health insurance by law. You must have health insurance in order to get the hospitalization plan. And the disability, those are pre-tax through your employer. But the other plans, the cancer, and we have what's called a SHE rider, and that covers heart attack, stroke, sudden cardiac arrest, and end-stage renal failure. So to make it SHE is stroke, sudden cardiac arrest, that's right, heart attack, and end-stage renal failure. That makes it the SHE rider. We have a lot of different riders that put in a lot of different factors. We have the $3,000 initial payment with the cancer plan can go up based on the rider you choose. That's the initial diagnosis. Our plans are to protect you, to give you what you need. They're very affordable. Whoever directed you to this video cared about you. If it's your employer, they cared enough to let us come in to share it with you, and I'm just trying to give you a little bit more information. If it is through an organization that you're a member of, same thing. They're sharing information with you. That's very valuable. This is about prevention. Because again, how many accidents are planned? And how many people walk up to a doctor and say, give me cancer? And how many people say, I want the flu? Those things do not happen. However, People are being diagnosed with cancer. People are getting the flu. People are having accidents, all sorts, all ages and all sorts. So Aflac is prevention. It's protection. So it's prevention against total income loss. It is protection for your family to be able to sustain themselves should in case you get sick. I call it insurance, assurance, and incentive to good health and wellness. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to block his beak. Okay. So, what I like to do is I like to give you a clear understanding of Ameriplan, which is another health benefit program, but it's not insurance. It's like the Costco's and BJ's of the healthcare industry. It allows you as a member to pick and choose the services you want, the products you want. You pay for them at a discount, and it's everything in healthcare. Everything in healthcare. You pay for what you want, you pay at a discount. And how that wraps with Aflac is that you're going to a provider, you're having services rendered. You have Aflac. So you're paying at a discount through Ameriplan for what you want, which your insurance may not pay for. You file a claim because you went to a legitimate provider. You file your claim with Aflac under the appropriate policy, and Aflac will give you money back. 100%? Maybe not. But either way, you're getting what you want. And not only what you want, but what Ameriplan, what their membership will do for you, it gives you and your physician the decisions in your healthcare. You sit down with your physician as a partner, and the two of you, or three if it's a group, can decide what's the best course of action for you. Insurance may say no, but because you're an Ameriplan member, you're able to get what you want, pay for it, but you're paying at a discount. And that makes a big difference. Physicians love Ameriplan and the privilege it gives them to be the partners in care with their patient. So Aflac covers almost everything you can think of that could happen to you, from your wellness visits to a condition diagnosis to a treatment plan to an accident to life insurance, vision, and dental. Ameriplan will save you money on the things that you want and you and your provider decide are necessary. So I thank you very much. Again, I'm Evadyne Smith, 347-457-2769. Aflac has landed.